Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how I would set up a self-love working for when you need like a bit of an emotional boost, to be kinder to yourself, and to, you want to look at healing some of your past traumas and wanting to love yourself a bit more and calm the mind and just help with that. So what I'm going to do is I've got my plate which I've cleansed, and I've got some rosemary, and I'm going to add the rosemary to my plate to protect my working, to help aid it being successful and not being blocked by anything. And this is fresh rosemary from my garden. I grow rosemary in my garden, which comes in very useful for when you want to do spells and rituals. It smells absolutely gorgeous. Just get rid of the stalky bits. What I like to do is I'll cover the herb and I'll just say in my mind 3 times what I want the herb to do. So for this one I've asked the herb to protect my working. Then I've got, I had this little tin of for a self-love working, and it comes with this beautiful dress candle. So I'm going to put that in the middle. This has got lavender and rose petal in, and the rose petals are for promoting self-love and promoting that healing that I'm looking for, and to build that sort of love for myself, because we can all be a bit too negative with ourselves, and it's good to work on self-love and being kinder to yourself. These smell absolutely gorgeous. Sprinkle that around. This little kit I got from a store holder at a artisan market, but they also are there when the local witchcraft market is on. I think they're called Lavender Moon. If I find a link for them, they've got Instagram or something, I will put a link on. I'm saying what I want to each herb as I put it on, telling it what I want it to do. And the reason I'm not saying it out loud is because it's personal to me. I'm just showing you this part where I'm preparing it. You can choose your own words to say. You don't have to say anything that rhymes or anything. Just say what your intention is 3 times while holding your hands over the herb. Or you can hold the herb in your hand like this and set your intention by holding it like this, and say 3 times what you want the herb to do. This smells absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Smells so good. Smells so good. There's a little rose quartz there as well. I can put that on. Oh, hold on. So I've said my intention to each ingredient and have added it to my plate. I am going to add, however, a couple more things. So I've got some blue lotus flowers, and people use these for like spiritual connection, like relaxation, meditation. Some people use it for like lucid dreaming and stuff. I'm just using this for the relaxation part, to relax my mind. I'm going to choose 4 of them. No, 3. I want 3. So I'm going to select 3 of the flowers, and again I'm going to tell the herb what the intention is that I'm setting. Oops. And I'm also going to add some hibiscus flowers that are dried. Some people use these for like dreaming and for love spells, for glamour magic, and for that sort of feminine energy. And for, these are great for confidence as well, by the way. I'm just going to place those around. I like the interesting shape that these have formed while drying. Oops. Trying not to knock them, but I'm trying to make sure it's all on my plate. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just think my intention once more before I light the candle. And then I'm going to light the candle and let the candle burn down. Obviously with something like this, you want to watch it and don't leave it alone while the candle's burning, because you've got a lot of dried herbs on the plate. You need to make sure that you're not going to, you know, burn your house down. The herbs on the candle are a little bit close to where the flame's going to be, but I'll just monitor it, and if I see any problems I can always just gently snuff it out and then restart the working. This self-love kit that I bought also comes with this self-love spray, which is rose quartz inside a nice little fragrance oil. I'm going to spray that on myself too. I'm not sure. I'm rubbish at identifying smells, so I can't tell you what the smell is, but it's nice. I think there's some rose water in there by the smell of it, and something else. And then all I'll do is to light it is I'll just say, as I light this candle, let my desires be. As I light this candle, let my desires happen. Let this working work. You know, something along those lines. And then light the candle to sort of activate the spell. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll be back to show you the candle burning. And what I'm doing while this candle's burning is I am thinking about my intention. I am watching the flame to make sure the flame is nice and strong and steady. I am thinking about what I want this to achieve and the feeling I'll feel when I've achieved my goal of self-love, and I'm doing that while watching this, and also relaxing and meditating and thinking about what would self-love look like, what would it be like, and the confidence it'll bring and that sort of thing. And yeah, I'm just enjoying the moment and taking it in and breathing in the lovely beautiful odours from this working. And yeah, that's how to do a self-love and confidence building spell. Hope you enjoyed the video. Blessed be. Bye for now.